Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be sharing 11 ways to make your house look expensive without breaking the bank. If you are ready to upgrade your home style and make it look like $1,000,000, keep watching. A fresh coat of paint can make all the difference. Opt for neutral colors such as beige, gray, or cream for a classy look. You can also add a feature wall with a bold color or wallpaper to create an accent. Crown molding can instantly make a room look more sophisticated. It's easy to install and can be painted to match your walls. It adds a touch of elegance and creates a seamless transition from your walls to the ceiling. Replace outdated light fixtures with modern designs to update the look of your home. Choose statement pieces such as chandeliers or pendant lights to create a focal point. Upgrade your home's hardware such as doorknobs, handles, and faucets. Brass or chrome finishes can instantly elevate the look of your home. Hang artwork on your walls to make a statement. You can purchase affordable prints or create your own artwork. Choose pieces that complement your home's color scheme and style. Mirrors can make a room appear larger and brighter. Place them strategically to reflect natural light and create the illusion of more space. Bring some greenery into your home with plants. They add life and color to any room and can improve indoor air quality. Replace outdated curtains or blinds with modern window treatments. Opt for floor-length drapes in luxurious fabrics such as silk or velvet to add a touch of elegance. Throw pillows can add color and texture to your furniture. Choose pillows with interesting patterns and fabrics to make a statement. A cluttered home can look messy and uninviting. Declutter your home by organizing your belongings and getting rid of items you no longer need. Finally, the simplest way to make your home look expensive is to keep it clean. Dust regularly, vacuum carpets, and mop floors to maintain a polished look. And that's it for today's video. We hope you find these tips helpful. Remember, you don't need a lot of money to make your home look expensive. With a little creativity and effort, you can create a luxurious home that looks like it was designed by a professional. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips.